Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ANZ Bank login not working on a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. While logging into your ANZ internet banking, if you're not being able to log in, then there might be several reasons for that. The first thing to do is to make sure to check that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Once you are, clear the cache and cookies from your browser that you are using to log into your account. Go and tap Open Settings from your iPhone and scroll down and tap Safari. Scroll all the way down from the next page until you see the Clear History and Website Data option. Give it a tap and tap on Clear History and Data. Once you clear out the history and data from your Safari app, you can go back to the application again and try logging into your ANZ internet banking account. If you're still not being able to do that, check if you are typing in the correct customer registration number and password. If you're entering an incorrect credentials, you won't be able to log into your account. If you've forgotten your login details, tap on Forgot Login Details link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. Also, make sure that you've disabled any VPN or proxy since it might be causing the login issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to log into your ANZ online banking account from your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.